Hi! In front of me is Lenovo Legion, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find Recorder app and click on it. Now tap on this blue button to start recording. First of all, you need to select while using the app and allow in the pop-ups. As you can see, recording is now on. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this left button over here. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, click on the middle one. And if you wish to end it and save it, click on the right one with a check mark. Then you need to click on those three lines at the top right corner, and as you can see, my recording is over here. If you wish to edit it, you can do that by holding it and choosing rename. Now name your recording however you wish to and tap on finish. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it one more time, but this time select this bin icon at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!